Education is not just about academics. It is about shaping lives for eternity. Imagine a classroom where every child feels seen, valued, and empowered to discover the truth, purpose, and service. That vision is not mine alone. It is God's calling. I do not shape destiny. I am simply His instrument, entrusted with the sacred mission of guiding learners toward truth, character, and service. This is my why, the heartbeat of my philosophy of education, and the reason I teach, the reason I lead, and the reason I serve. I believe truth is absolute, grounded in God's Word, and revealed through creation, reason, and experience. Reality is not just about facts, it is about meaning. In my classroom, I encourage students to ask questions, wrestle with ideas, and seek knowledge as a pathway to wisdom. For example, in math, in science, formulas are not just numbers. They are windows into God's design. Truth is not just learned, it transforms. I carry multiple roles and responsibilities: teacher, mentor, mother, researcher, and trainer. Each role is part of the mission God has entrusted me. I guide with patience and compassion. As a leader, I ensure governance reflects justice and integrity. As a mother, I model care and resilience. As a Test.TM trainee, I prepare practical skills for life. In all these, pointing learners' growth and service. My why is to inspire not for myself, but for God's glory. Students are not passive recipients of information. They are active participants, bringing unique gifts and perspectives. Empower them to take responsibility, to collaborate, and to see mistakes as stepping stones. In my class, I ask them to design real-life solutions. This helps them see themselves as agents of change, guided by God's purpose. Because I firmly believe that education awakens souls, not just minds. Curriculum must be holistic. Here in our school, we plan to expand with a TESTA training center and a college program. This reflects my belief that education should be open multiple pathways, whether academic or vocational, so every learner finds their calling. Education must prepare students not for exams, but for life, service, and eternity. My why is clear at the beginning, and it remains clear now: to nurture learners who will serve with justice, integrity, compassion, and faith. Education is not my profession. It is my calling. And to those who are listening, I hope you are reminded of your own why. Because when we commit our work to the Lord, He establishes our plans, and together we can raise generations who will shine not for recognition, but for God's glory.